She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
It's what time is it? It's 7:16 in the morning. I just brushed my teeth and got dressed, and I'm about to go to the gym. I'm gonna try to do some burpees, and like an exercise where I'm like jumping around is really intimidating because in my mind I'm still as big as I was when I was 245. So like, I don't know, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna give it a good try and see if I feel any improvement. I'm gonna try jumping lunges. My balance is terrible, so we'll see how that goes. And yeah, like, I'm going to the gym. Y'all should come with me. I'm at the gym. And y'all know what I forgot? A water bottle. I'm gonna die.
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got two good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own till I fell, but it wasn't fate. And I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, I gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better, I like me better, yeah.
Gotta get it in.
Yeah, I like me better, I like me better when I wasn't yours. I like me better, I like me better, yeah. I gave you all that you asked of me. You like the view from behind, but you won't make an ass of me. That's why I'm saying goodbye. Hopping out my feelings, get to the money. Gotta keep it 100. Leaving you ain't really took nothing from me. So don't come looking for me. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot, but I haven't. You was just a no habit, so I'ma disappear like magic. I'm that bitch and I have it. You forgot, but I haven't. Now you wish that you had it, but all I gotta say back is, if I gotta choose me.
50 floors completed. My time's getting better, and I'm drenched. So I'm done.
Much later.
Let me tell y'all how fake my mama and my sister is, or are. Let me tell you how fake they are. Me and my mom, well, we didn't go to the gym together, but I went to the gym and then she ended up coming to the gym, so we worked out together, right? So my sister, I guess, wanted to go to the gym with my mom today. So my sister and my mom are at the gym today. No one gave Keisha the heads up so we could all work out together. See how that worked? I knew they wasn't real. I just wanted to come on here and say that because that's where I am going, or that's where I'm going. I'm going to the gym. And I didn't want to go if they had already been there for some time and their workout was like halfway over or whatever. But my mom said they just got there and they've been on the elliptical for about 10 minutes. So she said, I got 15 before they get off and move on to the next workout. So, I'm all about that good burn, right?
Leave the window open, my bones do shake. I won't wait for you. It's middle of night, but the street lights keep me awake.
do pull-ups. My phone. Mommy over here trying to learn how to record. Hold on. This way. All right, go ahead, sissy. I told you.
I can show you this roll out on my phone.
Bones do shake. I won't wait for you. It's the middle of the night, but the street lights keep me awake.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.